Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Spang Dwantro Fam. Pabibop! Pabibop! Hello, baby Nitro! Hello, Brooke! And Uncle Sanyo! Ayun o! Oh, and the camels! May mga camel dito sa Australia. Ang laki-laki, no? Shanta, is this the first time you've ever seen a camel?
Grabe, ang laki pala nila. Nakakatakot pero...
Elephant daw. Parang elefante.
May combination ng elephant at saka horse.
Ano ba naman yan?
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Dwantro Fam, nandito kami sa beach ngayon, sa Dagat. Ayan. So, meron silang tourist attraction dito sa Port Macquarie. Dito tayo sa Port Macquarie, New South Wales, na camel rides on the beach. Ayan. So, parang nasa Saudi Arabia tayo ngayon kasi may buhangin. Pero walang dagat sa Saudi ata, no? Ayan. So, we're gonna ride camels on the sandy beach. Ayan. Bawal si Nitro dito kasi baby pa nga siya. Oh, Shanta. Here, let me drag the pram through the sand. Mahirap yan. Sand. So where do we go, Brooke?
I think we follow them there. It's at 100 meters to the beach.
Oh, okay. Alright, well let's go down. Go down to the beach, mate! They are huge, aren't they, Shanta?
Oh, ang tangkad.
Laki! Okay, so Auntie Brooke is going to take care of Nitro while we are riding the camels. Yes, baby? Si Auntie Brooke muna ha. Si Tita Brooke. Oh, nag-catching. Alright, sakay na tayo siyan. Tara na. Ang laki, no? Grabe. Dwanta.
Dwaine. Dwaine. Australian. Bye. Si Miss Amor ng Biliran.
Ayun, no?
From later.
Amo mo sa chart.
We're neighbors.
Silingan.
May Dwantro Fam pala dito. Chanta kayo.
Dwantro family. Asan yung baby? Baby.
Nandun, kasama ng tito niya. Oo.
Tawag mo diri sa... Di ba Queensland mo?
Queensland, oo. Nag-road trip man ni.
Same
Oo.
here. Same here. Nagpadala.
Taga-asaman mo?
Victoria.
Mo
So
di.
magpuan mi mag-antamig Cairns.
Cairns?
Swap.
Mo ba?
Dito.
Layo eh.
Nag-quarantine.
Oh, nag-quarantine mo. Oo.
Oo.
Nakita to na ko inyong tour. From, what's ito, Port Moresby?
Oo.
Port Moresby,
Moresby and then...
padulong nga to sa
stop
Cairns.
on. Yeah. Cheaper man ko no ang kuan card.
Wow, updated si ate.
Update! Oh my god, updated, of course!
Oh, here we go.
She's going to jump on first on the front seat.
On the front, alright.
Don't
What?
worry about your feet. All you have to do is hold on and lean back.
Hold on and lean back, Shanta. On the front seat, Shanta. Front seat.
Yeah, but
Different front to sit in.
Move that over. Queensland, man. Brisbane, yeah.
Don't worry about your feet. One for your father. We'll bounce that one in a second.
Okay, here we go.
Hold on, lean back. Don't worry about your feet. We'll fix them up in a second.
Oh, okay,
Hold
yeah.
that.
Whoop.
Yeah, helmet. You better slide that back.
Yeah. Grabe ang lakas ng kan.
Yeah,
Put in there.
they don't really listen to a countdown like they do at NASA.
No. Yep. Okay.
Comfortable?
Yep. Nice and comfy. All right. Hold on and lean back daw. Tara na siyan.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Oh, here we go. Bye, Brooke. Woo.
It's so slippery.
Woohoo. Yeah, I know, right? Dang. Oh. Ay, grabe.
Kita na ano ulit kita iya. Iya sakit. Ano ulit. Oh my God.
Grabe. Ay, yung ulo gyapon. Nadun yung ulo. Oh. Wow. It's a bumpy ride, no? Ganito pala sila mag-travel sa Saudi Arabia, no?
You sing, Dwaine.
Oh. Grabe. Camel rides on the ocean. Tabing-tabi ng dagat. Oh, tingnan nyo. Yes. Camel ride. Oh, this is cool. Huh?
Alam nyo, mas nakakakiliti ang Kalabaw.
Shanda, you having fun? Nalingaw ka ba?
Naayan na kami doon.
Yes. Woo! Woohoo! Alright. Pabalik na. Oh, hello. Hello.
Ako na yung mong baakamot. Ayaw ko.
Maganda dito sa Australia kasi ang lahat ng mga hayop may rights.
May formation.
Hindi kagaya ng mga elephant sa Thailand na walang rights. May mga laws against animal cruelty dito sa Australia. So maganda yun. So, hindi pwedeng pahirapan ng sobrang mga camel dito. Dapat alagaan sila ng maayos. Kung hindi, may-ari ng mga camel, ipa-fine ng government. Maka-ipa-priso din. Depende kung gaano grabe ang treatment nila sa mga hayop. So, yun yung maganda dito.
Just like the moon in the night sky, your loving is surreal, baby, let's fly. Through eternity, go wherever. You and I through whatever weather. You're hotter than a sunshine in Manila. What I have for you is forever. Te quiere, mi amor. You'll be the only one I adore.
I really wanna take you home tomorrow. I wanna spend forever in the day with you. Really wanna walk down the aisle, put a ring on you. You make me say our truth. 'Cause you're a dream come true. You are elegance and freedom, everything to me. Wanna spend my lifetime loving you. I'll be closer than your shadow, closer than you know, if you let me love you.
Alright, Dwantro Fam, maraming salamat sa panonood sa vlog na to. So, let's do a Dwantro Golden Fam shoutouts. Ito sila, Rosel Ruiz Noque, Regina Cielis Art Shop, Zitro Feld, Romel Ibanez Vlog, Da Ramis, Kicks Sticks, Shane Rainsborg, Kiko Arps, Swiss Humanity, Conchita Dokot, Jolie Inocencio, Nisi Cho, Pinoy for Life, the Urupino Fam, the Scotty Fam in Brisbane, the Aussie and his wife, the Ramsey family, DXMT, Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Nati Bontien, Tosca Acorda, and Jocelyn Natividad. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood sa vlog na to at kita-kita sa sunod na video ng Dwantro. Bye for now.
let's fly through eternity, go wherever, wherever.